If you would like to make a YouTube account, then stay tuned, watch this video all the way to the end as I show you how. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, your place to grow your business using YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube account. But before I do, if this is your first time to this YouTube channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every Tuesday when we upload brand new videos to this channel. So you want to make a YouTube account? Well, we're going to show you the steps to do so in this video. So without further ado, let's head on over to the trusted computer as I show you how. Okay, so here we are in youtube.com. Now I've gone into a incognito browser on Chrome or private browser on Firefox or whatever private browser you're using. Just gone into the private incognito version of that. The reason for that is that it cuts out any cookies or anything that YouTube is using to follow me or Google or whatever, so I can get a clean, fresh account on YouTube. So go to youtube.com, and because I'm in a private browser, I'm not logged in as anything, so I click on sign in. So I'm actually going to create a new account, and I'm going to create one to manage my business. Now it's totally up to you whether you select for myself or to manage my business. It's just YouTube or Google tracking what you're using your YouTube account for. So I'm going to select manage to manage my business. So I'm going to give it a name, Mary Bananas, and I'm going to create a new one. So it's going to be, and then click on next. So I'm going to pop in a number and a recovery email address, and then the other details here for verification. And once I've got that information in, click on next. So then it wants to send a text to my phone. Click on send. So I've popped that in and then click on verify. Now it's up to you whether you want to allow Google to send you stuff, but for the moment I'm going to skip. Then we go through and then we agree to the terms and conditions and then create account. Just to confirm, then confirm. Now obviously read this to make sure that you've got everything done. Now we have to sign in, and you can see here we're signed in up here on account. So we have marybananasonline@gmail.com is our account. So we have our account set up. So the next thing it wants to do is to set up our YouTube channel. So we can set up our name as a personal one here, or we can use as a business or other name. Now again, as I said before, I would recommend that you use as a business. You can set this up as with any name that you want, whether it's one name, two names, three names, four names, etc. So we're just going to go, we're going to have Mary Bananas Online, then click on create. And boom, we're done. Then we go in, customize our channel, set up everything that we want, and we will have our not only our YouTube account, but also our YouTube channel set up. So there you go. That's how you quickly and easily set up a YouTube account. Now you're able to set up a channel, leave comments on other people's videos, reply to people's comments on your videos, all of that good stuff. Now, I'd love to know why you're creating your YouTube account. Let me know in the old comments area below. I'd love to know what you're using it for and what videos you plan to put up there. And if you are making a YouTube account or have just done so, let me know what questions you have again in the old comments area below. And I'll do the very best I can to help you get that question answered. And if you're not a subscriber, click the old subscribe button right here somewhere, and also notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video every Tuesday. Also as well, click one of these videos here to watch more videos on how you can set up your YouTube account and your YouTube channel, get more viewers and subscribers, and also help you grow your business using YouTube.